our problem of the day. See what we've got lurking there. Today we got a good story. May can win a car on a game show if, oh big if she can guess within $1,500 of the price. If the car price is $18,000, that's the actual price, what will be the range of winning guesses? In other words, if she can win. So again, May's got this car show. No, she's got a car on the game show. If she can guess within $1,500 of that price, well, she wins it. And that car price we know, or someone does anyway, is $18,000. She doesn't. What would be the range for the winning guesses? So let's take a look at this problem and see how we're going to establish it. It's not extremely difficult. I think many of you are already out there going like, I think I know what to do. Because you want to be, you could be a little bit above or you can be a little bit below, all right? And with this, the car price being at $18,000, we're looking at a leeway of $1,500 above or $1,500 below. So it's pretty straightforward, I think, what you would do. So we're going to put that price, we're going to put that mysterious guess, how about it, we'll call it G, and down just a little bit. And we're going to say we can go, how high and how low can we go, all right? We can add 1,500, we can go above it, 1,500, just can't get out of that range. Whew, let's see where that takes us to. That would be 19,500. Also on the lower end, we're going to subtract off 1,500. That would take us down to possibility of 16,500. Well, there you are. There you are. There's your possibilities for the guess. All right. And see right there in the middle what's going on. We have 18 grand, 18,000. Now, that's one option. By the way, that's called a combined inequality. It basically says that G is somewhere between those two numbers, or you can say it's greater than or equal to 16,500, or it's going to be less than 19,500. So there's your magic boundaries to make May a winner. Now, got one other approach I want to look at on this. Suppose we wanted to use an absolute value inequality. Oh, you said, why'd you go to something else? I understand this one. Well, you will be with this one too. So let's say we've got absolute value. We want to find the range using absolute value inequality. In other words, we want to come up with these same numbers here, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to say G minus, we know what we have in the middle. We have 18,000. That's the magic number. That's where you hit it dead on, all right? But what we want to do is keep it within, so that means we're going to open up that range of 1,500. That's how we would set that up in absolute value style. You say, well, Ernie, would that give us the same answers? Let's check it out and see. We're going to write this G minus 18,000 as we see it, less than or equal to 1,500. And by the way, since we're looking for it within, we're using the less than or equals to. That pushes it inside. And we are also wanting it to be G minus 18,000. We take what's in our window, but this time we shift the inequality, make it a greater than or equal to, and we change the sign on 1,500 to negative 1,500. All right? You say, really? How does that work? Well, let's see. Let's see if our magic numbers do come out of here. We're going to add 18 grand, 18,000 to that 1,500. Right there we go. So we get G less than or equal to 19,500. That's right there. That's exactly what that said, isn't it? Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add 18,000 to our right side over here. Add 18,000. And look where we come. We get G should be greater than or equal to 16,500. Now, look what's going on here. This is an AND. So you're looking for the numbers that are going to be greater than 16,500, at the same time those that are less than 19,500, which is what we've got. 19,500. All right, there we go. So that's the same range, the same story going on here. Now, pointed out to you, absolute value, if you know the middle, it's just a range. But look how much range you actually got. You got $3,000 worth. Even though you want to be $1,500 within that price, you've really got a little bit of leeway, about $3,000 from low to high. So a lot of good places to land there, May. Hope you win, all right?